So for the first method, we're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then we're going to run it as administrator. Click on yes. Then we're going to type in GP update and click on enter. Once the policy has been updated, we can now close it. Next, we're going to head over to search and type in services. Then click on it. Now with all of these Bluetooth services right here, we're going to right click on it, head over to properties, click on startup type and make sure that it's automatic. Click on OK. Do this for all of the Bluetooth services. Once you do that for all three of them, we're going to right click on it and then click on start. Do that for all of them. Next, we're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Once you're on it, you should have Bluetooth right here. We're going to expand it, and then everything that says Bluetooth on it, we're going to right click on it, head over to properties, and then click on driver, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. If you have any updates, then make sure you do the update. Do that for everything that says Bluetooth on it. Next, we're going to head over to search and type in Bluetooth and other device settings. Once you're on it, make sure that Bluetooth is turned on, then just restart your computer and it should be fixed. If it's still not working, maybe your computer or laptop doesn't actually come with Bluetooth, so just go on Amazon or eBay and then type in Bluetooth USB adapter and just buy any one of these and it'll give you Bluetooth. Just plug it into your computer. That's how I got Bluetooth.